Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download That's Not My Neighbor on PC. It's very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open any browser and search That's Not My Neighbor. Click on this link by itch.io. Game's landing page will open. Scroll down and you will see purchase option, or you can also check the download demo option under it. Demo versions for different operating systems are available. Click on download to check if the game runs on your PC. However, to download the entire game, scroll up and click on buy now from the purchase section. Payment processing page will appear. The game is available for purchase at a cost of $2.99. You can also donate some money to the developer of the game, as you can see different options are available here. It's completely optional. After selecting the amount, you have to enter your email address. Next, you have two payment options to proceed with. Click on either of them. The next step is to enter your full name and the card number of your bank account. Then click on pay $2.99. Once the payment is done, all these files will be loaded on your PC and you will be able to easily download the game. And this is how you can download That's Not My Neighbor on PC.